Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Actually, this is a trial video for starting some videos talking about supply chain topics, and our topic today is MRP. MRP, it is abbreviation for Material Requirements Planning, and actually simply to define the MRP, it is actually a computer-based information system that start to translate the requirements of the finished product to its component and raw materials and parts for this finished product. So MRP is a technique, philosophy that working to make control for the stock or the inventory, and also it is scheduling for the requirements. For example, today we are talking about MRP for producing the car. If you have a car, this is called the finished product, and this car, in order to produce this car, you have some components. These components actually like the tires and the steering wheel and other components. So if you need, for example, 10 cars, you have to get, in order to complete this car, you have to get at least 5 wheels or 5 tires per each car. So in this case, I will have finished product is called 10 cars, and then I will work backward to complete the components to assemble this car as a finished product. In this case, actually, the 10 cars, you will need to have 5 tires per each car. So how many tires I will need? I will need actually 50 tires in order to complete finished product 10 cars. So briefly, talking about the definition and the nature of the MRP, material requirements planning. Material requirements planning is one of the main topic of planning for the supply chain management. It is a computerized system, and it is a philosophy and techniques working to do 2 main targets actually: to control your inventory, to avoid shortage or excess in your inventory, and number 2, indeed, it's working for making scheduling for your requirements. You want to schedule your components, and it is answering 3 main questions actually in general: what you need to produce this item, and how much you need, and when you need to receive it. This is actually one of the main videos that indeed we will start to talk about the supply chain management, starting from this topic. Actually, it is one of the main complicated topics for our students in studying the logistics management especially. So this is brief introduction for the MRP, and we will start to continue talking about it very soon with more details, and next videos we will have more details about each topic, because the MRP is including some inputs and outputs. Here you can see actually the main inputs for the MRP. I have master schedule, and I have bill of material, POM, Allahu Akbar, and then we have inventory records. All of these parts, this is as inputs, main inputs for the MRP. And we have in the other side here, you can see it is the outputs for the MRP. We will talking about all of these details and the calculation and formulas used for all of these items, because it's one of the very interesting and important topics will be covered in the coming videos. And indeed, I hope that we can meet together again. And now we have to leave because we have the call for the prayer, صلاة العصر. إن شاء الله نراكم قريبا بإذن الله، ودعواتكم بالتوفيق. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.